just a little preventive maintenance on a brand new handheld sprayer. The lubricant we're going to go with is by Super Lube. It is the O-ring silicone lubricant. Mainly, I still like the idea that it is food grade. First one we're going to do is the big gasket. But this particular gasket does not feel like it has a high silicone content. And I want to get some on the other side of it too. There is a flat seal in the bottom of the spray head. Then on the end of the wand, we'll just put a few drops. And where the hose goes into the tank. I'm not going to remove this at this point. It is plenty tight, but when I do take it off to clean the filter, whenever it starts acting up and it don't want to spray to its full potential, I'll go ahead and remove that. And when I go back with it, I'll use a Super Lube. This is the pressure release valve. I'm going to thread him off. It is an O-ring seal down in the bottom of that seat. And when you lift up on him, you're lifting that. So the only thing sealing that is that very small O-ring. And different models are going to have different setups on their hand sprayers and the nozzles and where the O-rings are located. But just about all your sprayers today are made out of just a whole bunch of different plastics. And thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment sections. Work safe out there. Have a good one.